How to create a YouTube banner in Canva PC. First of all, open Canva and make sure you are logged in. On the home page, click on the Create Design button and select YouTube banner or search for it in the search bar. Next, choose a template from Canva's wide selection of pre-made YouTube banner templates, or start with a blank canvas if you prefer a fully custom design. Once the canvas opens, you can start customizing your banner. Use Canva's photos, elements, text, icons, and backgrounds to add visuals and design elements that match your brand or channel theme. Adjust fonts, colors, and sizes to create a professional and eye-catching look. Make sure your text and key elements are within the safe area so they appear correctly across desktop, mobile, and TV screens. You can also apply filters, effects, or transparency to images and elements to make your banner stand out even more. Once your YouTube banner design is ready, click the download button in the top right corner and save it into PNG or JPG format. Then upload it to your YouTube channel to complete your branding. Now you know how to create a YouTube banner in Canva. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing and designing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.